Hello friends, there are many quite very gorgeous gadgets for the smartphones. So now we have a look a very useful product. We generally used to search for our smart cables, to data cables for charging our cell phones or to transfer data from our system to your smartphones. So what you find is like you always found it missing that data cables. So now we have very cool gadget. You can carry it anywhere you want. You just have to put it as a bracelet. So they have called it name as you see it is bracelet data cables. So they say it's for S1, S2, S3, S4 and other smartphones. As you see, they have mentioned it. So they have with the picture of this cool bracelet thing. So I think you just have to open it and just roll it around your wrist. So let's do the unboxing. Then we will see how will it look like. It's a standard USB 2.0 power, good signal stability, and its transmission speed. So let's check how it looks like. So I will just open the packet for you. From where to open? Okay, let's open from here. Okay, this is the product. You can see the bracelet. I think you have to remove this cover, and okay, this is the thing, I think. Okay, when I unplug, you can see it's a USB, right? This point you can plug in into your smartphone, charge it or transfer data, and this will be act as a USB. You can plug it in your laptop, a MacBook. So I think it's very handy, and you can just uh, reinsert it again, and you can roll it around your wrist, and it will act as cool smart gadget on your wristband. And whenever you want to transfer some data, require something to charge your cell phone, you can just open it. No need to worry about smart cables again. No need to lose it. You can just roll it around your wrist. Now it will act as a cool gadget. Just you can just roll it and just fix it on your road like a band, like a friendship band. So as they have mentioned it comes in flashy colors also. So you can use the same way, right? There are many colors mentioned over here. Is see more color, more choice. They have mentioned it like gray, white, blue, green, pink, black, orange. So I think it's a very useful product. You can surely buy it from online websites and let me know how will it work. I will also let you know in my further videos. Till then, bye.